Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll explain how to recover desktop files in Windows 10 and show you simple methods to get your missing files back quickly and safely. Step 1. Start by opening the recycle bin from your desktop by double-clicking its icon. The recycle bin temporarily stores deleted files, making it the easiest place to check first when files go missing. Step 2. Inside the recycle bin, carefully look for the desktop files you want to recover. You can sort or search to find them faster, which is helpful if the list is long. Step 3. Right-click on the file you want to restore and select Restore. This action sends the file back to its original desktop location automatically. Step 4. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and press Enter to open it. The control panel contains system tools used to manage backups and recovery features. Step 5. Click on File History. File History is a Windows backup feature that saves copies of your files over time. Step 6. Click on Restore Personal Files and browse through previous versions. From here you can select and restore older copies of your desktop files if backups were enabled. Step 7. Click the search icon on the taskbar, type File Explorer, and press Enter to open it. File Explorer allows you to manage and view all files stored on your computer. Step 8. Click on the View tab at the top of File Explorer. This tab includes display options that control how files are shown. Step 9. Check the Hidden Items box to reveal hidden files and folders. This is useful if your desktop files are not deleted but were accidentally hidden. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.